Petros here from MarineMax Jacksonville, and I'm standing on our brand new Harris Cruiser 230. Great boat, great configuration. As you can see, this deck layout, you've got a rear L-shaped lounger with two forward-facing loungers. Seagrass flooring in here. This is the French gray interior. It's a nice light color, stays cool throughout the day. One great part about these boats is these seating configurations. They're all modular. The benefit to these is that they're built like a roto-molded kayak. So basically, they have the mold, they put in hot plastic, they spin it at a high rate of speed, the plastic goes out and molds to the mold that it was put it into and takes form. The benefit for you as a consumer, you don't have to worry about your chair bases rotting out. As you can see, all of your seats are configured that way except for your helm seat. And an additional benefit to that is the fact that it's great storage. This boat has a huge bimini on it, rolls forward, provides the back of the boat with a ton of shade. This boat's configured with a 90 horsepower Mercury. With that being said, she's very fuel efficient. She's not the fastest boat out there, but she's not meant to be. This is a great cruising pontoon. If you have any questions, feel free to come on down to MarineMax. If you'd like to set up a sea trial, feel free to give us a call. Thanks.